Hi YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Adriana and this is Adriana. Look, we're doing a hair tutorial today. One of my favorite looks is this really cute top knot bun with two little bang pieces in the front, and it's just like, it's a look. It's definitely a look. Thank you for my viewers. Definitely feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and comment regarding this video. I felt like with this outfit, definitely a top knot bun, a really cute updo would do good, and it'll look great with this outfit. You need a brush. You want to brush your hair up into a ponytail. You want to get you some rubber bands, some scrunchies. You need about two or three of them to fulfill this look. And you also need the hair. The hair that I have right here is some big fluffy, listen, she's detangled, some curly hair, and my hair looks very coarse, right? But she does blend. This hair does blend with my natural hair, and she gets the job done. And I like the curly hair because you can make your bun a little bit, how can I put it, distressed. It gives like a little cute, really top knot bun distressed look. So as stated before, you definitely want to put your hair up in a ponytail, a really high ponytail. The ponytail does not have to be perfect, but you definitely do want it to be centered, because like I said before, with the bundles, it gives it a really cute distressed look. You can let your curly hair within the bundles, let them free, wet them, get them curly, things of that nature. You definitely want to have a ponytail, a centered ponytail. This is a start, and you've already used one of your three hair ties, and we're definitely going to go in with another hair tie, but you're going to tie your hair midway. You see that? That's like kind of midway of your ponytail. It looks funny, but listen, I've seen a hair tutorial, a bun tutorial, and this was perfect. This explanation was perfect for me. I'm sharing it with you, and it works. So you're gonna have your midway bun, then you're gonna grab your bundles. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your bundles and you will wrap your bundles around your hair. You see how I'm doing it right there, how I'm grabbing that end piece of the end bundle. You will take that piece, right? It sounds crazy, but trust me. You will take that piece and wrap it around the base of your own ponytail. And that will have your bun secure for the rest of the day, the rest of the night, until you take it off. Because look how many times I'm wrapping it. And I just feel like this isn't really, like, I don't have any product in my hair. I haven't added any water, anything. If you want to do that, add water, add gel, do that. But I didn't want to add anything because my hair was already dirty. I didn't want it to be dirtier, but listen, or to have even more product kind of to weigh it down. So I didn't put anything on my hair. But look how I'm wrapping that bundle. Look how I'm wrapping that bundle around my natural hair, around the natural ponytail. And that's what you're gonna do throughout. Like it got caught up some, and your bundle may get caught up a little bit in your hair, but it's nothing to fix it, nothing to pull it back down, nothing to get her back wrapping around. And this part will take the longest, but I will be back with the rest, because right here all you're doing is wrapping your bundles, letting the hair do its thing, letting it be free, like a be free distressed look. There is nothing really perfect about this hair, honestly. To me it isn't perfect, but I definitely enjoy this look. And I'm going to speed this part up so you all can see the next piece. see how I just let my hair do whatever, let it be in the flow of whatever. And as I got to the midpoint of my natural ponytail, as you can see, I took out the ponytail holder, and with my hair I just blended it in with the bundle hair and continued to wrap it. And you know, even if your hair is different colored from the original bundle, or the bundle is different colored from your original hair, listen, that's totally fine. Tuck it in really good, and it goes back to what I always say, do what works best for you. With this look, you can do it without the bang pieces, the 2 bang pieces and the little design I'm going to add to it. But you know, adding in the bang pieces, it's best that you do that first, because y'all gonna see the next steps for this look, for this tutorial, and you're gonna see it and you may think like, dang, does that hurt? It didn't hurt, but it's best to go ahead and do your bang pieces first. I did it backwards. Why? I'm not too sure. I'm kind of a backwards person. You got the bun look without the bangs, and that's totally fine, and it's still a look. You can, you know, make it look clean, undistressed. But as I went on to play in the bundle hair in the ponytail, I started pulling out pieces. You see how I just did that? Pulled out that piece. I'll possibly pull out another piece from somewhere, and it's giving me cute top knot bun, rich girl vibes. Add water to it. She's going to curl up for you because, again, she is some curly hair. So all I'm doing right here is giving it the distressed look, figuring out what pieces need to go where. Can I add another piece here? Can I tuck that more there? It's more so to I'm letting it do its own thing, but I'm still having some control as well. And if you mess it up, look, if you mess up, boom, wrap that piece around, wrap it around, go elsewhere, pull hair from another place, because the hair will always be there for you when it's ready. And definitely wet the hair so it can wave up, so it can curl up for you. And we're going to move on to the actual bank piece. So with the next step in making the part for the 2 bang pieces, you want to grab a rat tail comb. You want to use the end of that rat tail comb. Look, this may look like it hurts, but it didn't. All I did was just pull hair from the ponytail. It's like I said before, it's best to do the bang piece before the actual ponytail, so your hair is already down and in place. But listen, I did it anyway, and it may look like it hurt, but it don't. Like I said, my hair is dirty. Look, I have dandruff. Listen, this is my hair in its natural state, unwashed. It happens. So I went and I parted up my hair on one side to make a bang come down, and I'm doing the same for the second side. I'm making the hair come down. Listen, do the bang piece first. Don't do like I did. And I'm over here pulling hair like this. Like, that was the biggest mistake of this video. And actually, I pulled more hair from this side than the other one. So I had to go back and pull more hair from the other side. But listen, don't do this mistake. Do not do this mistake, but still get your hair together, get your parting together. I just, combed her out. After I did it, I just combed her out. Even that piece there that's hanging out, I think I had brung that on down. Yep, because it was not going back up in that bun, and it made this side here, I have more on this side than the other side. And I was not about to walk around having uneven bangs. I wasn't. That wasn't going to happen. So I'm pretty sure I had added it. I know for a fact I added more hair to my side. And here I am, I'm just making my part more, yeah, because I'm about to add that hair on. I'm making my part go down a little bit more into, I think I was trying to clean it up, but I had made the part a little bit longer. And you can wear your bang pieces straight, you can, but with this look, because I have some pieces that are hanging out looking distressed, I definitely wanted my bang piece to look the same. Look at me trying to figure out what to do with that piece. You're gonna see what I'm about to do in a minute, because I had to definitely look, I had to go in there and get some more hair out. I said I was not about to be uneven. We equally yoked over here. Okay? Equally yoked. But you'll see as I continue to get her together. I'm just cleaning her up, getting her together. You'll see that. And I'll be back, because you're gonna need also your wand curler. If you have a wand curler, you're gonna curl the bangs. But I'll be back for that. Then you're going to need to grab your wand curler. I got this really cute pink wand curler from this hair company, Hair R Us. Back in 2013, I bought some bundles from them, and their wand curl was $20. I'm not sure what inch this is. Not really sure, but you're going to need your wand curler for your bangs. Like I said, you can keep your bangs straight, but I want to wand curl mine to give that wavy look as well, because I have a couple pieces, or maybe one piece. It might have been another one around there somewhere that was out, and I wanted it to mimic, the curl pattern, to mimic each other. So you want to plug up your curling iron, get her hot, get her going. Be careful with curling irons, flat irons, any type of irons. The stove iron, be careful with those, okay? Because they get hot. You don't want to burn yourself. And here I am waiting for my curling iron to get herself together. I have really bad growing dandruff. I do. I've always had bad dandruff. Look at me, the flakes. And I mean, they can get big, y'all. But I don't really know what more to say about that. Like, my dandruff is what it is. But I do oil my scalp. I try to wash my hair every 2 weeks. I try to have something going on. For the most part, I do. So now I am checking the heat index of my wand curl, and I am wand curling my first bang piece, my side bang piece. And I'm just gonna have her, because this is my natural hair, I'm probably gonna just hold it for about 30 seconds max, maybe less than that. Yep, I didn't even do it long. And it's a really cute loose wave though. It's a really, really cute loose wave, because I don't usually do heat on my hair for any reason. So I only left my hair wrapped around a wand curl for a max of 30 seconds, probably even less than that. I'm very particular about heat on my hair, but I really wanted to curl my bang pieces, because this look is not complete without the curl. Now, if I'm using my wand curl on some bundles, I'm going to wait about a minute or so, 60 seconds or so to get that together. But those are bundles. I feel like bundles can handle more than your natural hair. And look at them. They're really, really cute. Really, really cute bang pieces. A really, really cute wave. And I think it's a simple but cute look. What do you all think? Definitely tell me in the comment sections what you all think. I think I was still going through the phase of like one side is thicker than the other, and y'all, look what I had to do again. Can somebody get me? Can somebody get me? I said I'm not going to not have an even piece, because even in the video you could tell like one side was smaller than the other. So I had to get her back together, y'all. I'm all for being equally yoked, and that did it. That last bit of hair that last part of hair did it, because then I came back. Okay, let the people know that you're gonna come back and wand curl that thing one more time to get her together. Accidents happen. And I held her for about 30 seconds, maybe, shoot, that might be 15 seconds. And look at that. Oh, the wand curl is an amazing invention. It made me even go back and want to redo this other bang piece, because that last one came out so good. Like I say, this hair tutorial is something easy. A max of how long it may take you to do, I'll probably say maybe 20-25 minutes. Maybe 25 minutes. And this hair is a simple piece of bundle. It's probably about, I like long hair. Look at me, I'm so funny. I like long hair, so it might be a 20-inch ponytail. Look at that. Listen, look at that ponytail. And like I said, I didn't put anything on my hair, but this ponytail is easy, quick. Listen, try it out. Tell me what you think in the comments.